Hey guys, welcome to the April 7th edition of Marketing Strategy. This is going to be a brief little lecture. What we've got going on this week is I'm going to move the Peregrine Test back a week. So I'll have you go ahead and do that, not this week, but I believe April 14th because I want to spend this week going over just a review. Now, the Peregrines test is a standardized test. It's going to test you on all aspects of business, but I'm going to just evaluate you on the marketing portion of the Peregrine for for those 100 points for the exam. I don't want you to stress out. This is for informational purposes. It is worth 100 points. Um, I want you to do your very best on it. And if you fall within the average, it's going to be fine. Whatever that average is in terms of the norms, this test can only help you if you do really well. And I'll talk to you more about that next week. So I want you to be thinking about this standardized test. I've posted some information about how you could access the test. And what I have in store for this week is I want you to go ahead and email me and tell me that you've seen this video. I could give you credit for attendance. But then on Wednesday, I'll have another recorded video going over some of the basic stuff that I want you to remember regarding marketing. Remember, this is going to be on information about marketing that you've learned throughout the last 3 or 4 years. So it's really going to test your knowledge. And I've kind of geared this class as a review throughout the semester on some of these classic and foundational marketing techniques and marketing concepts and principles that you might go ahead and see with the Peregrine exam. I don't I haven't constructed the exam. This comes from the Peregrine Corporation, but we get to see the results. And what I'm going to ask you to do is once you are done with the exam, and I'll explain this again next week, once you are done with the exam, I want you to take a screenshot of your score, email it to me. I'll adjust your grade accordingly. So what I'm asking you to do today for today's attendance, view this video obviously, but also look at the review guide that I have posted in Module 3. It'll say Peregrine Review Guide, and also look at just basically the structure of how you would go ahead and take the Peregrine. I've included 2 attachments, and those attachments I think are PDF forms, and it'll give you the link, your password to get into the Peregrine exam, and instructions on how to complete the Peregrine exam. There's gonna be a question when you start that exam, before you even start the exam, as to what your degree is going to be in. Now, I know your degree is in business administration, but choose your major, which if you're in the marketing capstone class, which this is, your major is marketing. Make sure you put marketing down there. It'll be easier to track your results when we do our end of the year data collection. So be looking at those attachments that I put in Module 3, be looking at the review guide, and then on Thursday's installment, that'd be the 9th, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and watch my next video, and we will, and I'll go over some of the points I really want you to remember about marketing, and maybe about some other business things as well. that you've had in your classes over the last 3 or 4 years. So that's what we've got going for us today. If you have any questions, please feel free. That's what we got going this week. If you got any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. Feel free to reach out. I'll be more than happy to help you. Hey guys, I look forward to working with you this week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and reach out if you need any help. Talk to you later. Bye.